Good day, Ms. Abakahin, and I thank you for sending us your application. I am Glenn.
Bobby Andrea Antaran.
I am Theron. We are the Human Resource Officers at the OST Region 11.
Let's start. So Miss, kindly tell us about yourself.
Good morning, everyone. I am Blessy Maria Bakahin, 23 years old and a certified public accountant. I finished my BS Accountancy degree in 2017 as cum laude at the Ateneo de Davao University and passed the boards in the same year. I previously worked as a clerk officer in Metro Davao Medical and Research Center for 2 years. And now that my contract has ended, I look for a new job where I can apply my accounting skills.
We have seen that you once worked with MDMRC, and as you can see, the operations there might be different of how things work here. Are you prepared of the sudden change of environment and nature of work?
Aside from handling the financial statement of the company, we are also managing some projects, such as adopting innovation for the said hospital. This requires us to monitor cash flows and produce accurate reports that the company can rely on. And I can see that this skill is transferable to this position. Since my previous job is not that very different to this new one that I am applying for, I am confident that I can handle and manage it.
So in relation to your past experience in NDMRC, what would you consider as your greatest learning experience that you can apply here at the OST?
In MDMRC, we are trained not just in our specific fields. The company values diversity and they give us the opportunity to explore more beyond our field by sending us to various training sessions. This made me realize that in a company, it is important that you are flexible. Flexible, that is, you're able to extend your service beyond what is assigned for you. And I think I can apply it here.
Given your credentials, one can say that you have a pool of jobs that you can apply for. What made you choose this job and why?
From my past experience as a clerk officer, I realized that this is what I really want to do. By doing this job, I can feel the happiness and sense of accomplishment, and I see no problem with that at all.
I can see that you have just mentioned your strength a while ago, so what do you consider as your weaknesses?
As I have mentioned, this job is what I really want to do. But earlier in my career, I noticed that I was so enthusiastic about my work, so I had a tendency to accept heavy workloads that are difficult to manage with a given time. At one point, I ended up so overwhelmed with my workload that I was working beyond office hours. It was so stressful, which affected my output quality. I realized that this was counterproductive, so I started using workload management tools to set better expectations for myself and for my colleagues.
Hmm, that was good to hear. Let me ask my co-interviewers first whether they would have any follow-up question first. Okay? So I guess that concludes our job interview. Do you have anything to say or ask, Miss Abukahin?
I have no questions to ask, but I would like to use this opportunity to thank you for considering my application for this position. Over the years, your office, DOST, has been the leader in cooperating technology in Davao region and in the Philippines. And I humbly reiterate my will to contribute to its success in the coming years as a clerk officer. Thank you so much and God bless us all.
Thank you, Miss Abakahin. That was a very interesting conversation. We will just contact you for further details regarding your application. You may leave the meeting room now. Thank you.